For the fifth week of the lecture for digital electronics, we were asked to create a step sequencer, but instead of using the delay function as we have done so before, instead we're going to use millis and implement the respective functionality. So this sequencer has 8 steps. Currently it's actually running in reverse. There are 2 switches. Right now I'm going to switch it from reverse to forwards. We can adjust the speed that the LEDs are traversed through until it's incredibly fast. We can also increase and decrease the number of steps in our sequence. Increasing all the way to the end, decreasing. We can do the same in reverse. It just goes backwards and starts from the end. That's how I interpreted the instructions. Of course, they could start from the same range as before and just work their way backwards, but I decided to work my way from the end. And so you can increase the number of steps and decrease them. You can increase or decrease the speed at which we iterate through. So it's incredibly fast. And we have a random function. And this random function can either begin from the end or the beginning. So decreasing the step size makes that more visible. See, right now, only these are randomly lighting up or not lighting up. If I then change the forward button to the reverse button, now only the ones over here, based on the step size, are fluttering. I can increase their speed or decrease it. I can switch back and forth. And if I turn randomness off, it just becomes a straightforward or straight backward sequence. Again, with varying speeds and step sizes. So that is it for the assignment for the 5th week of the lecture of Digital Electronics Lab.